Hi friends, let's now see the sound effect of FND 2.1 subwoofer. Model is f203G. I bought in Flipkart 1000 rupees. It's 2.1 subwoofer, 15 watts. Let's check the sound effect.
Well, we got his attention. What the hell is step two? What's the story upstairs?
The call surrounding the cube is impenetrable.
Get in line. Save it. Loki's gonna keep this fight focused on us, and that's what we need. Without him, these things could run wild. We got Stark up top. He's gonna need us to...
So, this all seems horrible.
I've seen worse.
Sorry.
No, we could use a little worse. Guys,
Call it, Captain. All right, listen up. Until we can close that portal, our priority is containment.
Everything. Call out patterns and strays. Stark, you got the perimeter. Anything gets more than 3 blocks out, you turn it back or you turn it to ash. Then give me a lift.
Right. Better clench up, Legolas.
Thor, you gotta try and bottleneck that portal. Slow him down. You got the lightning. Light the bastards up. You and me, we stay here on the ground. Keep the fighting here.